Assalamu alaikum student of class 7. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to discuss about memory and storage devices, which is from your ICT book chapter 2. So let's get started. At present, memory and storage devices are used not only in computers and mobile phones, but also in almost all the technological commodities. Modern technology-based commodities are operated by microprocessors that work on certain commands. Memory and storage devices are required to store these commands. Memory is very essential for the right operations of the computer, smartphone, game console, and machines like these ones. Memory is of two kinds. One, primary memory, and secondary memory. When CPU or central processing unit processes data, the necessary information or software are stored in primary memory. Primary memory is very fast and can work quickly, keeping pace with the CPU. Primary memory is of two kinds: RAM, that is random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. The capacities of primary and secondary memory are expressed in two ways: one through dynamic power or hertz, and the other is by storing capacity or byte. RAM. RAM is connected to the motherboard of the computer and smartphone. The processor primarily stores data in RAM. Later, the processor processes data from the RAM. As the processor can collect data from anywhere on the RAM, it is called random access memory. Now the capacity of processor has tremendously increased and the software has become complex and effective, so they use a vast area of memory. And now modern computer requires at least a memory space of 2 GB. The speed of the RAM is faster to cope with the speed of the processor. You should know that stored information in RAM is lost if the power fails or is removed. That is, RAM stores data when the computer is on. As soon as the computer is shut off, the RAM does not have any data. ROM. ROM or read-only memory is also connected to the motherboard. Commands are required to keep ICT device or computer software operative. The computer cannot run without these commands. These commands are permanently stored in the ROM. Storage of memory does not depend on the power, since it can only be read. It is called ROM. It is also called permanent memory, as stored data cannot be modified or new data cannot be added in it without applying different procedure. Hard disk. Perhaps you who use computers know about the hard disk, often called a hard disk drive. An open file on computer is stored in the hard disk. It's the main device for storing data. The IBM Computer Company first used hard disk in the mainframe and mini computer to store data in 1956. The distinctive feature of all ICT devices is data storing. Today's computers usually come with a hard disk ranging from 500 GB to 4 TB of storing capacity. Even a mobile phone has the hard disk of the capacity gigabyte. But you will be surprised at hearing that the size of a hard disk of 1 GB capacity was as big as a refrigerator in 1980. Its price was high too. $15,000 had been spent per megabyte. It's not a fairy tale, rather it was the reality. But today's hard disk drives are so tiny that they fit into the palm of the hand. Usually a hard disk contains a set of stacked disks that are called plotters made of either aluminum, alloy, glass or ceramic, on which an electromagnetic coating is given. Data is stored on it. When the hard disk runs, the plotter spins and two heads, one on each side of the disk, read or write with the spinning. Hard disk is very popular for its enormous capacity of storing information. It is of two kinds. One is built-in, another is separated, which is called external hard disk. It can be connected to the computer, desktop or laptop through a USB port. Thus, the external hard disk can be carried to transfer a large amount of data from one place to another. CD or DVD. CD, that is compact disc, or DVD, that is digital versatile disc or digital video disc, are very familiar with you. A thin layer of aluminum is applied on the lower portion of the CD or DVD and is protected by polycarbonate plastic in either side. Sometimes a gold coating is given on the surface to make it reflective. Laser rays are used to store and read data on the CD or DVD. The head of it is nothing but a device of creating laser beam that stores data on aluminum layer and can read when required. CD and DVD are very popular right now for their data storing capacity, portability, durability, cheapness and convenience. DVD is more powerful in storing data than CD. Now a DVD disc called a Blu-ray is available in the market, and its storage capacity is larger than that of the common DVD. Flash drive and memory card. Computer users need to transfer data from one computer to another, and it can be easily done through networking. But where there are no network facilities, a different kind of storage device is used. The name of the most easily portable storage device is a pen drive or flash drive. Perhaps you understand that it is small like a pen and can be carried in the pocket. When it first came to the market in the year 2000, its data storing capacity was of 32 megabytes. But now pen drives of 32 gigabytes are available in the markets and the price is cheap too. It is more durable than a CD or DVD, so its popularity is gradually increasing among users. Nice looking pen drives of a wide variety are up for grabs. Now microchip implanted cards are used to store data except pen drive or flash drive. These are called memory cards that can store a huge amount of information too, but they cannot be directly connected. Either fixed slot or memory card reader are needed to use them. Memory cards are of different sizes and storing capacities. Its use is noticed not only in your favorite MP3, MP4 or game player, but also in digital camera, mobile phone or smartphone. Okay student, that was all about for today. In next class, I will discuss about motherboard. Till then, goodbye.